Hi, how's it going? My name is Edward Spence McKenzie V. I'm going to be doing my M5a2 reel assignment here with my two Photoshops and my 3D artwork I did as well. I did this is for the first Photoshop assignment. I cut out the monkey's face, used blend tools and layer tools to get my face to match up with the edges of the monkey's hair color there. I had a little bit of layer mask as well. I used this one. This is a fantasy background I did. I changed the saturation and the colors. I threw in the dragon here. Changed a lot of the light and dark on the mountains as well. And for this, for my 3D one, I tried to make a vase. It didn't end up. It was pretty hard.